Looks got a lot of different snakes swimming in the water. Oh, that one goes underwater.
Oh, okay.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to Fishing Kingdom. First of all, Jen and I would love to say thank you for the first 3,000 subscribers. It's been an incredible journey, so thank you for all your support. So to celebrate it, we actually planned a 3-day camping trip over at this new lake that we've never been to. Jen's already liked this place. It's her new favorite home, so I can't give it away. However, we got the tent ready, the boat ready to launch, and this beautiful creek right behind us. Let's go catch some fish.
Check out this setup. All right, time to get the show on the road, baby. All right, fish?
Yes.
Oh, that just took you way down.
It's pulling my line.
There you go.
Oh.
Go ahead and go, Lily. Wow, you got something big on. Look at that guy go. Look at that. Get him down over here. Oh, good baby. Give some line, baby. He had my heart going. He made it look like he was a big one. He fought hecka hard. A lot of fight for that guy. He's probably about 2 pounds. Well, that was exciting. Jen caught him on this brush hog, green pumpkin with red flake. We just put a little smelly jelly in the bag and rubbed it on. Give it a little scent. Good one. There we go. It's not like me in this next to the boat like this. Oh. Florida string bass here. Okay, ready? Go ahead. Good net. Plop. Bass jumping in the background.
No. He was on my line.
Oh, you got one on?
Yeah.
Doubled up. Holy cow. This is intense. Let me get this hook out real quick. Give this guy some water. Doubled up. Look at that. 2 bass on the boat.
Wait, who looks bigger?
I don't know, but yours looks better. Tag team release. Good job, baby. High five. Doubled up. I was like, what was that splash? I'm like, how is this a fish? No, he had your thing and then he hit it. Come on, son. Smelly jelly. Nice and smelly, the way the bass like it. It's like fish fart. gorgeous out. You need to be swimming in this tomorrow.
I don't know.
There we go, fish on. Oh, it's a bigger one. Redemption right here. Are you ready? It's coming up. Alright, you ready? Go ahead. Oh, that one made up for the other one. Good net, baby. Get the jigger crow. That's a better one. What do you think he weighs? $2.11. That was a good guess. All right, buddy. Back in the water. Hey, that wasn't very nice. Go, baby. Cast along that fence. Think so?
I told you. Is that from Florida? Really? You came all the way from Florida?
Yeah.
Really? The water comes all the way to Florida.
That's it. Net, baby. I know they brought Florida strain bass in. Sheesh. Another nice chunk. Cast right by that fence. Alright, we're gonna go out and bank it. Oh, that was successful. 5 bass. I'm gonna laugh when he catches.
It's not funny.
Hurry, he's taking your line. Oh, that was hilarious, actually. We got an abandoned ship. We're getting attacked by all these bugs. Holy cow. Get here. Oh my goodness, look at that cloud. Jeez. Let's get out of here. Oh, she's going for him. Oh my goodness. Get him, babe. You're making them mad. Seek shelter. Abandoned ship.
Wait, are these moths?
Oh my gosh. I don't know, but they're annoying.
Oh, these are moths. Those are moths. These are the mosquitoes.
Oh my gosh. Starts whapping my car. Oh my god, what is that? They're humping. Alright, let's get out of here. Those came out really good.
Anaconda.
Do not take that thing on the boat.
Why not? I have a net. Do you need help, buddy?
He's coming towards us.
You need help.
I don't know, baby. He looks like that. Looks like a broken rattler off his back.
Go, 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 go.
Yeah, we won't. I don't mess with snakes. Nope. Look, he's swimming back to shore. He's fine. Mr. Swan. Oh, he's going for the swan.
Oh no.
Oh. He's huge.
I don't think.
Yeah. Nice. It's a nice bass. Yeah. Nice baby.
Ooh.
I'm ready when you are. Oh, that's a big one. Smile.
There's a spider on me.
Where? Oh my god. Why? He's spinning the boat. You just got the hot rod. Got a good one on.
Get ready.
I felt like you pulled him out of the water.
I didn't even need it.
Nice catch. Aye. Nice catch. Nice little chunk.